Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
Hey, Guda. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yes.
Sure. Okay.
Under section 302, which is murder, he has been convicted for life. And this is a rigorous imprisonment. Under section 376, which is rape, he has also been convicted for life and a fine of 25,000 rupees, what is permissible under law. For destruction of evidence, he has been convicted, which carries a maximum of 2 years and a fine of 10,000 rupees. But these sentences will run simultaneously, so the most important sentence here is rigorous imprisonment for life, which is his natural life. So the sentences for 2 years for destruction of evidence, they don't really carry so much weight as this particular sentence. And from my understanding, family is relieved that there is a closure, there is justice being done. I would like to say here that this trial has taken about 8 years, and because there was no witness, and he had taken it into the forest and committed these crimes, it was a difficult task for the prosecution to put the circumstantial evidence together to convince the court beyond reasonable doubt about his conviction. The prosecution has done an excellent job, and so has the police in their investigation. The people who labored for 8 years, they've rarely been recognized, but I would certainly like to thank the Director of Prosecution, Mrs. Bhagat, who made quick decisions on what has to be done. I would like to thank the prosecutors, Mr. Costa, Mr. Saman, Mr. Bhagat, and especially Mr. Gaonkar, who handled most of the evidence. And lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Prabhu Desai, DYSP, and his team for the painstaking efforts they took to gather all the evidence and bring the witnesses who were not in Goa in time for the hearing so that their deposition could be recorded and the court could rely on it. It's been a long trial, but justice has been done, and I hope if this is the way we move forward, Goa will be safer for women, for children, for senior citizens if criminals get convicted.
What is the final reaction?
They seem to be satisfied, and they seem to be relieved that at least justice has been done, and the sentencing has been done in accordance with the crime that has been committed.
It is satisfaction feeling, because after working very tirelessly for the case and following the case with every day, me and Vivashpa Arjun Sahib, it is satisfying feeling. With the discipline and dedications, the case went to the convictions. Eyewitness is not, but last scene was there, and the collection of the evidence which are done at the spot and medical report from Hyderabad, it all came in the favor of the prosecutions, and prosecutions also played a good role in convicting the accused.